Alright, what's up everybody? Now I'm here at Ion Mall, Taiping. Do you know what happened here? There is dance competition right here. I'm a judge, one of judge for breaking category, but now it's for performance dance from the judge. You want to see what happened here? Let's go. Follow me. We see what happened right here. Okay, event je kompetisi dance jadi tengok diundang si dari Aceh mau paduk draw, diundang Putro, Bigger, Faruki peserta. Acara je memang okay karena peserta je miat cit urang raya. Yang spesial je ada apa? Pemenang kali awak Aceh. Juara sah awak Aceh, juara dua awak Aceh karena benar final je merempak awak Aceh. Video-video cuplikan tanding awak Aceh je dan alhamdulillah tengok je pemenang sino di Taiping orang okay? Jadi awak Aceh ni hire shit karena sino di Malaysia dia dah tanding alhamdulillah merempok juara je. Jadi biar ragu-ragu kualitasnya Aceh memang beres Support sabi sosok yang support kamu, yang hana support lo hana masalah, tapi yang support keep supporting us because we need all you guys to support us to make it great and better. Okay.